My name's Jamie Sorensen, Director of Specialty Vehicles for Winnebago Industries. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our new Accessibility Enhanced Intent 30R AE motorhome. Our new Accessibility Enhanced Intent is based on our most affordable Class A gas coach. It has more standard features than many mid-price models. It has 2 slide-out rooms that are standard. It's less than 31 feet in length, so it's easy to drive, easy to park. We've got a long list of standard features to make wheelchair travel safer, easier, and more comfortable. The vehicle interior features a 30.5-inch wide hallway. There's a rear slide room control next to the lift. Our bedroom features lots of storage. The electric adjustable queen bed raises the head of the bed and retracts the foot for more space. There's controls on either side and by the lift. The bed is just 23 inches high with generous toe kick for easier transfers in and out of the bed. Our bath area has got an expanded toilet area with a grab bar for easier transfers. It has an elongated bowl on a raised platform. We've got a large roll-in shower with an assist bar, reinforced outer shower wall for optional folding bench seat, an adjustable shower head with a removable handset. There's no shower pan, so it's a barrier-free entrance into the shower. There's a power drain pump and a switch to replace the P-trap. The galley area features a 3-burner range. We've got a double bowl stainless steel sink, refrigerator, plenty of storage. The microwave can be relocated below the range. The light switches, the generator switch, and the systems monitors have all been moved to an accessible location. The Intent has more sleeping capacity than any other Accessibility Enhanced model. We also feature a comfortable dinette with a large sofa that converts into a bed. We have an optional powered studio loft bed. Our cab features standard swivel seats. There's an optional 6-way power transfer seat option. We have a large windshield, radio and rear view monitor system with a pivoting color touchscreen with a rear color camera. We feature power heated side mirrors, a dual mode climate control, dash workstation with power outlets, and powered blackout front shade. To learn more about the Accessibility Enhanced Intent, please visit our website, winnebagoind.com.